How to log into Microsoft Live account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open any of the browser. Here I'm gonna open Google Chrome. Now at the top you can see that search bar. Just type in live.com. You will land to this kind of page. Now click on this option of channel. Now over here you will need to type in your email, phone or Skype that is associated with your Microsoft Live account. And once you are done, you can click on next. Likewise, just type in the password of your Microsoft Live account and then you can tap on sign in. If you want to stay signed in, you can click on the option of yes, but if you don't want, then click on no. And here you can see that I just got logged into my Microsoft Live account. This is how you can easily log into Microsoft Live account. If you find this video helpful, at the end make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.